So, producing high-quality ads can take hours and even days. First, you need to come up with the idea. Then you need to get approval for a budget, handle all of the operational tasks, film the whole thing, and then spend long nights in post-production. I'm talking from experience. But today, I'll show you something that might change the way you think about this. With Picsart's AI Agent Cinema Studio, now you will be able to combine everything, including the cinematography, the video editing, and audio engineering, all in one place, and most importantly, under the budget. So I'm Mike, and let's get into it. Before we get started, it's worth understanding what an AI agent actually is. They are software designed to take a goal and independently complete the steps required to achieve that specific goal you have. It's like hiring a specialized employee who handles the process from beginning to end. So let's go ahead and open up Picsart's homepage. Then click on AI Agents. And here, as you can see, we have over 15 AI agents for different reasons, but for now, I'll choose Lena, who is our film director, which is the name of the cinema studio agent. So click on Open Lena and let's get filming. I need to film a 30-second beautiful product ad for my brand, which are reusable bottles. So let's brief in Lena. Create a high-quality 30-second ad for a designer reusable glass bottle. So this is the prompt I'm using. I have a few images of the product with the model holding the bottle. So I'll just upload them here. By the way, I have created a tutorial about these bottles where I animated them and created 360-degree videos for my e-commerce website. So feel free to watch that video too. Once your prompt and your images are ready to go, simply click on the pink arrow and let Lena do the heavy lifting. She came back with some research and with 3 different concepts. Read through the research carefully so you can choose the concept properly. Personally, I think concept number 1, liquid couture, sounds awesome. So I'll simply type concept 1. As a reminder, at any point in your conversation with Lena, you are free to request any changes in your mind and she will accommodate. Looking at the beats and the scene plans, everything looks fantastic to me and super detailed. I don't need to do any edits so far, so I'll just approve. Once the shot list has been approved, Lena will then propose anchors, which are visual motifs that will be recurring throughout the planned visuals. In our case, the anchors are the muse, which is the model, the hero flask, which are the blue bottles, and the world, which is an empty storm gray landscape. All of these elements will be the foundation of our ad. So I'll just go ahead and type approve. Now she will go and make a render for each anchor. It's ready, let's take a look. Wow, this looks really awesome. Except the world, which is this stormy gray studio. To be honest, I was imagining it to be more of a real-life landscape, so let's fix this. I'm going to type in a request that the world anchor to be more of a real landscape rather than a studio backdrop. Now it's much better. And this is exactly what I was looking for. After some thinking, Lena will provide a production plan for the ad shoot, which she breaks down into 6 distinct scenes. As you can see, here we have cold open, object awakens, the muse, the open, the drink, and lastly, the landing. And the output is 1080p and vertical, which Lena recommends. Sounds good to me, so let's approve. Give Lena a bit of time to do some magic. And before you know it, we have our 6 shots. I'm so excited. Let's watch them together and see what Lena came up with. I love the sound effects. Wow. This was pretty cool actually. The transitions was amazing. Nice. Look at the details. Everything looks pretty fantastic, but only the 5th one feels a bit off. I'm sure you have noticed too. So let's fix this. The model should unscrew the cap before taking a sip from the bottle. To fix this, I'll let her know that we need to reshoot only scene number 5. So I'll type re-roll scene 5. The model needs to unscrew the spherical cap and then she can take a drink. Very simple. Lena has accepted our changes and the video is ready. So let's watch the new version. This is what I'm talking about. Now that all the scenes are good to go and approved, Lena will ask about the score, which she will give a suggestion based on the visuals. She's thinking of something moody and dramatic. Sounds good to me, so let's just approve. Give Lena a few minutes and in no time she will drop you a link to the final results that is now located on Picsart Drive. Let's head over to Picsart's Drive and take a watch. This is amazing, right? It turned out pretty good, and this video can definitely sell. And that's the power of Picsart AI Agent Cinema Studio. Don't forget to have fun creating. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. I'm Haig, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.